Hi everybody, it's Claire back with another art journal video, and this one is my final project for September for the Scrap FX design team. So again, I'm playing in the junk craft journal, and I'm starting off by adding some of the graffiti text collage paper onto my page using matte medium to stick this down. And I'm just going through a phase where I'm trying using a gift card to spread the gel medium around, mostly just because I seem to just trash so many brushes, and I don't know, just experimenting really. I did have like a really cool silicone spatula thing, and I have a feeling it might have launched itself into my bin and I hadn't realised. I feel it might have got thrown away by accident because I cannot find it, and I have only got a very small art room, so it's very strange. I don't know where it's gone. So I'm adding these onto the page just to give me a bit of a head start with my background, just to take away that blank page. It's a great way to get started, just to start laying some collage layers down on your page. I do apologise that I sound a bit strange. Still got COVID, but I'm definitely getting better, so that's good. So I'm going to be using this graffiti image. It's one of the pop art figures, and I'm taking the colours that I'm using. That my inspiration is taken from that image. There are some reds and pinks in the image, so that's what I've kind of gone with here. And I'm just adding some ruby onto my page to start off with. Next, I'm going in with some fuchsia, just adding a bit of that too. And then I'm using one of these little sponge rollers. So these are like children's art supplies. Oh, they're fabulous for getting paint through a stencil. So this is the graffiti text stencil. I think it's one of my favourite stencils at the minute from Scrap FX. I just love it. I do love anything that's got text on it, and this is no exception. So this is Orchid that I'm putting through the stencil. And I also used any leftover paint. I grabbed a piece of paper and just shoved the roller through it just to use up any paint that was left on the roller here. They wash really easily as well, these little rollers. Obviously, if you don't wash them, they go rock hard with the acrylic paint. Excuse me. But it's a lovely way of creating fast paint through a stencil. Yeah, and it does create a slightly different look to when you use a blending tool or a sponge. So this is the Circles Galore B stencil, one of the ones I've designed for Scrap FX in the past. I'm just using that with some carnation, keeping with the kind of warm tones, even though this is a very pale pink. So just working as a little bit of a contrast there. So then I'm going to stick this image down using some gel medium again. Certainly using the gift card to apply things is a great way to get them nice and flat with no bubbles in at all. So that was good. Okay, so then I'm going in with the same graffiti stencil and using a little bit of black, and I'm just using this to kind of blend some areas in a little bit better. So the bottom of that image, using this stencil, it just kind of helps to blend it into the page, so it's a bit less like it kind of just plonked in the middle. And then I'm going to add some more of that stencil with the black on other places too, so that it kind of marries the page together. This is the Arrows mini stencil, also from Scrap FX. I'm so sorry. And I'm using that with some white paint. I do like these directional stencils. I know that Scrap FX have got quite a few. Dina's got some too. They are great for drawing your focus on a journal page. You can kind of use the arrows to point the eye to where you want it to go first. Okay, so these are just adding even more contrast onto the page because they're not, they are much brighter than the carnation paint that I used, which did actually stand out quite well until the white went on, and then you can see the difference. So then this is the triple X, and I think it's like, it's almost like Hugs and Kisses, isn't it? Stamp from Scrap FX, and I'm just using that with a bit of black archival ink. So that was a can of acrylic spray paint from Liquitex. And the reason I sprayed that across my page was kind of like going with the graffiti vibe. Then I'm using this little wordlet, Think Less, Live More, black wordlet, and I'm sticking it onto a bit of the page where there's some white and some pink. I'm going to cut it out. If I just put that straight onto my page, it wouldn't have stood out, it wouldn't have really been noticed, whereas this way you can actually see what it says. And I'm using my little applicator bottle with the clear glue in to stick that down. Okay, these are some quotes that came from the craft journey words. I'm just cutting them up so that I can stick them onto my page. And again, sticking those down using the little applicator bottle. Then I decided I would add some white splatters. This has definitely got a graffiti vibe, this page. And I loved the products that I'm so sorry about coughing, that Scrap FX released this month. They were brilliant. So thanks for watching and putting up with all the coughing. I do apologise. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you again soon.